If you don't have the LDAC or LHDC option in the settings of your Bluetooth device on OPPO Reno 15, even though both of these audio codecs are supported on this phone, if you tap on media audio over here and you have, for example, AAC instead, the reason why is that is most likely due to an app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So in my case, I have installed this app over here for my earbuds, and they are supposed to have LDAC option. So what I need to do is I need to go to the settings of my earbuds and look for sound quality settings. And so should you, because if you, for example, have the collection quality set as the priority, then the phone will not be able to use LDAC. But if you switch to sound quality, then even though it says AAC over here, if I go back to these settings, as you can see now it says LDAC, and if I open settings, Bluetooth settings on my phone, then as you can see now over here we do have LDAC option again. So essentially you want to check, if you installed an app for your Bluetooth device, you want to check settings for sound quality and make sure that the sound quality is the priority for your Bluetooth device. Leave a like and subscribe.